Today, we're gonna do the clausal, connective, also, aso. So this connective we can use with either verb or adjective. And as you can see, all and then a, that indicates you're gonna use the basic form of the verb or adjective. Okay, so how do we use this? So let's say there's a clause 1 and we're gonna connect with the clause 2. First clause will give reason or cause, and then you'll use also or aso, depend on the basic form, and then you follow the result. Okay, 2 things that you want to remember here. So first, reason or cause is never past tense. Okay. 2, result can never be a command or suggestion. Okay. So also can mean like because or since or so. So we'll do a couple of examples. Because Korean language is fun, I'm learning it. Because Korean language is fun will be clause 1, and the result clause 2 will be I'm learning it. 한국어가 fun, 재미있다, basic 재미 is all, and attach the so after. 재미있어서, because it's fun. To learn, 배우다, 배워요. 한국어가 재미있어서 배워요. The clause 1 would be 한국어가 재미있어서, because the Korean language is fun. The result is clause 2, 배워요, I'm learning it. Okay, the next sentence. I can't swim, so I don't want to go to the pool. So clause 1 would be I can't swim, so then clause 2 will be I don't want to go to the pool. So 수영을 못해서 because I'm unable to swim, 수영장에 가고 싶지 않아요. 수영장에 안 가고 싶어요. I don't want to go to the pool. So since this also is for the verb or adjective, what if we want to attach because or so next to the noun? So 이다, let's say because we are friend. So that would be 이다, right? Because we are friend. Then 친구라서, because we are a student. We are, then it will be 이다. So student ends in a consonant, so we will say 학생이라서. Same thing goes to 아니다, but it's just negative. Because we are not a friend, then 친구가 아니라서. Because we're not a student, 아니다. 학생이 아니라서. Let's say the example sentence. Because I am a student, I have a lot of homework. Because I'm a student, so we need to use with the 이다. And student ends in a consonant, so we will attach 이라서. And then say I have a lot of homework. 숙제가 많아요. So let's write this down. 저는 학생이라서 because I'm a student, 숙제가 많아요. I have a lot of homework. Alright, then let's do one more. Then what if we want to say, because I'm not 21 years old, I cannot drink alcohol. So first of all, 21 years old. How would you say 21?
21?
Ah, yes! Very good. 21. Very good. Now, since we have to use 살, Counter classifier for age. How should we modify it?
21살?
Yes! Very good! 21살, 21살 instead of 21, 21살. Very good. So 21살, because I am not, so we need to use 아니다. 21살이 아니라서 21살이 아니라서 I can't drink alcohol. 술을 is it 안 마셔요 or 못 마셔요?
못?
Right. 못 마셔요. 못 마셔요. So it's age, it's illegal if you drink under, right? So we say 못. If you have allergy on alcohol, that would be 못. But you voluntarily not drink 술, then you'll be 안 마셔요, right? Good. So 21살이 아니라서 because I'm not 21 years old, 술을 못 마셔요. I can't drink alcohol.